Painting and Decorating. I'm Tara.
And I'm Yvette.
And that's Ray.
And today I've noticed some of the bigger cracks have been coming back. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill them, but first we're going to use a mesh tape. Hand me the mesh, Tara. This tape.
Yeah, this mesh tape. They tend to use it in America. They really speak highly of it, so we're going to try it today, aren't we?
We're not going to find the ends, yeah. Give me a second. Ah, there. It's very hard to find. Right, so what we're going to do is we're just going to lay it across there. Have the cracking, obviously, in the centre of the tape. We have done it there yesterday, which is covered quite well, to be fair. It does need like 2 or 3 coats of filler on top of that, though. But I'm just going to show you how to lay this today. It's self-adhesive, so it sticks itself. Bit hard to get exactly in the middle because it's the cracks all wonky. Can you pass me the scraper, please? Yeah. Just because I'm just going to make sure it's all stuck. Cobweb. Maybe check your ceiling before you start.
Give it a dust.
Grab a scraper, Tara. Cut it there. Just going to cut it here just to show you how it should be laid. Just like that, and make sure it's all stuck down. Obviously you can do it in sections if you wish. And there. Just going to get the filler ready and filler over it. Obviously once I've done the rest of the crack. Would you like to swap?
Trying to shimmy around on the ladders.
Would you like to swap?
I'm good, I've got the camera now.
I've got very short arms, it's hard to reach very far, thank you.
Is it easier just to do it in sections like that then?
Well, yeah, when you've got short arms, yeah, I can't reach that far.
T-Rex arms. All made. We are using a bit of a different filler this time. We are using a more of quality high-end filler, which is this one. It does cost a little bit more money. It's just because this crack is so bad. So that's what we're going to try. Let's put in a nice thick layer on there, aren't you, Yvette?
I am.
And this is the bit we did yesterday. If you can see, we put a layer of filler over just a little patch yesterday to test it. See very slightly that the mesh is under there. But it's looking really, really good, that bit. We haven't rubbed that one down yet, because what we're going to do is rub it down and then put another layer,
rub it down.
Another thick layer on. And then hopefully, should be done. I might do something, yeah.
I'm going to rub it down.
Maybe. A long way to go.
Yep.
Right, guys, we'll be back when it's done. Show you when it's done. So here we are, we're nearly done. First fill. Spilling filler everywhere. What do you like?
Fell off the edge.
So we're gonna sand this down, and then we're gonna fill it again. Then we're gonna sand it down and probably fill it a 3rd time just to make sure, because this crack does keep coming back. And then we can let you know how we get on with the tape. As you see, it's a nice thick layer as well. Need to be a thick layer on there, doesn't it?
Yeah, there.
All done?
Yeah.
Right, that's all done for now. We will be back to show you how we get on with it. This is paint and decorating. Subscribe for more videos. Yeah.